Biomass production. Leafy greens have the potential for biomass production, offering an alternative source of renewable energy. Through processes like anaerobic digestion or biofuel production, the organic matter from leafy greens can be converted into biogas or biofuels, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and contributing. Wildlife habitat. Leafy greens provide valuable habitats for a variety of wildlife species. They offer shelter, nesting sites, and food sources for insects, birds, and small mammals. By preserving natural areas with diverse leafy greens, we can support wildlife populations and maintain ecological balance within ecosystems. Erosion control. Leafy greens play a crucial role in erosion control. Their dense root systems help bind the soil, preventing erosion caused by wind or water. By planting leafy greens on slopes or areas prone to erosion, we can stabilize the soil, retain valuable topsoil, and reduce sedimentation in water bodies. Greenhouse gas mitigation. Leafy greens contribute to greenhouse gas mitigation through carbon sequestration and reduced emissions. By incorporating leafy greens into agricultural practices and promoting sustainable farming methods, we can reduce the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. Urban heat island effect reduction. Leafy greens help mitigate the urban heat island effect, where urban areas experience higher temperatures than surrounding rural areas. Through shading and evapotranspiration, leafy greens can lower ambient temperatures, improve air quality, and create more comfortable urban environments. Community engagement. Leafy greens offer opportunities for community engagement and empowerment. Community gardens, farmers markets, and urban farming initiatives centered around leafy greens bring people together, fostering social connections, knowledge sharing, and a sense of ownership. Sustainable land management. Leafy greens can be incorporated into sustainable land management practices, such as agroforestry or permaculture systems. By integrating them with other crops or trees, we can enhance biodiversity, improve soil fertility, and create resilient and self-sustaining agricultural ecosystems. Medicinal and therapeutic properties. Certain leafy greens possess medicinal and therapeutic properties. For example, plants like kale, spinach, and arugula are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promote overall health and well-being. They can help boost the immune system, support heart health, and contribute to disease prevention. Greenhouse gas emission reduction. Leafy greens can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions by providing a sustainable alternative to livestock-based diets. Livestock agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, but incorporating more leafy greens into our diets can reduce the demand for meat and dairy products. Air quality improvement. Leafy greens play a role in improving air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. Their leaves act as natural filters, trapping harmful airborne particles and pollutants, thus enhancing the quality of the air we breathe. Incorporating leafy greens into urban environments can contribute to cleaner and healthier air. Soil erosion prevention. The extensive root systems of leafy greens help prevent soil erosion by anchoring the soil and reducing the impact of heavy rainfall or wind. By cultivating leafy greens in areas susceptible to erosion, we can protect valuable topsoil, maintain soil fertility, and prevent sedimentation in water bodies. Sustainable pest management. Leafy greens offer natural pest management solutions that minimize the use of chemical pesticides. Companion planting techniques, such as growing certain leafy greens alongside other crops, can repel pests and reduce the need for harmful chemical interventions. This promotes sustainable farming practices and reduces environmental contamination. Food security. Leafy greens contribute to food security by providing a nutrient-dense and easily accessible food source. They are often affordable and can be grown in various climates and regions, making them an important staple in many diets worldwide. Promoting the cultivation and consumption of leafy greens helps address food insecurity and improve nutrition for communities. Waste reduction. Leafy greens can play a role in waste reduction efforts. By utilizing imperfect or surplus leaves, such as in salads or cooked dishes, we can reduce food waste and minimize the environmental impact associated with food disposal. Additionally, leafy green residues can be composted to enrich soil fertility and close the nutrient loop.